Hey guys, my name is Walter, and this is going to be an investing log. I'm excited to share my successes, my failures, mistakes, you name it. I'm spending about $500 per entry on various stocks, about 2 to 5 each time. I'll show you what I pick, why I pick it, and we'll see how they do. All right, so the first pick is Workhorse Group Inc. And this is a really cool company. They do electric utility vehicles. So imagine your UPS truck, your Amazon delivery truck, all being electric. They're all super into that idea, so I think there's a lot of potential here. The question is, will Workhorse Group be the one to drive it? And I believe they're in the best position to do so. They're actually talking to the USPS to potentially get a $6 billion contract, which would be huge, and that might be announced as soon as next week. So we'll see on that. It's trading pretty high, as you can see. I'm not the only one that thinks this has a future, but the potential for really big growth is huge here. And then the next one I picked is General Electric Company. Really big company. They've had a long history of just successful investments and developments, founded by Thomas Edison himself. So pretty cool. And they're trading pretty low. They for a long time. Let's check 5 years. The 5 year numbers have gone down for a long time, which doesn't look great. But at some point, such a big company investing heavily in renewable energy, which has a really good future, is probably going to bounce back. So looking forward to that. I think we're looking at least $10 to $12 within a year. Green Plains Partners LP. So these guys store ethanol throughout the Midwest, and ethanol is an alternative fuel. It's mixed in with gasoline a lot. It's an alternative fuel. So not quite a renewable energy, but still a good kind of in between, I would say, a transitional fuel that will have a lot of support politically and environmentally, just moving toward more renewable energy, green energy. So I think they will definitely be moving up from, so I'm still in 5 years, but yeah, moving up from the 774 it's at right now, especially considering how long they were higher. This one's also a dividend earning stock, which means they average between 6 to 8% return on investment in dividend payments. So in a year, you'd get 6 to 8% of the value you have invested in dividend payments. So a nice kind of extra boost to owning the stock. You get paid for it. So even if it stays exactly the same price, you still make some profit. So those are the three I picked, and I broke them up here. And I have the limit price. This is kind of the receipt I got from the transaction, but the limit price is actually the price that it executed at. The limit prices I set were a little higher. Um, so I got the GPP Green Plains Partners stock for 773 a share, bought 15 shares of it, $115. Got GE for 688 for $103, and Workhorse I got for $29. I made a mistake here. I had the offer in at 27.50, the limit price, and when I woke up and the market was trading, it had already jumped to 29, and I thought it was going to keep going up, and I wasn't going to get the stock. And with that looming decision on the USPS contract, I was like, if I don't get the stock before that, it's going to go up to like 40 or something. So I changed my offer to 29. I got the stock, and by the end of the day, it was trading at 26.50 again. So just a lesson in patience there. I didn't even give it a few hours. There was no reason to rush it that much. So good lesson for the future. But yeah, for $29 a share, 10 shares, 290, total of $509.15. I think this is going to be a pretty good group. After today, the first day, they are all down, but I'm hopeful that will change. One key thing about investing is really to not worry about the price today, tomorrow, next week, next month, even. These are investments that I'm betting on. I'm betting on the business and it's their ability to succeed in the long run. So the price fluctuations really don't matter that much, and you shouldn't pay attention to them very much. So yeah, we'll see over time what happens. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. This is what I got. I'm excited to see what happens. Till next time.